Yeah, my bed looking rough. I ain't gonna lie. Dad was good. It's 4:30. My bed looking rough, bro. I don't even know. So right now we hit the yeah, bro. My roommate, he probably gonna be mad at me. I'm looking at us hitting that previous settlement close. My interest is at sell side though. I'm about to mark that out. See that flickering? That's my interest right now. Came up there. That was like a type of like stop hunt. I'm looking. Go to regular trading hours. I'm looking at this whole candle right here to act as a fair value gap as well. Just because we open, basically already took this sell side on the regular trading hours. But we have 10 a.m. news, so that's what I'm waiting on. If price decides to take this high out here and here, these relatively equal highs. But right now I'm just waiting. Dev, what's good, bro? What you on, baby? You at work? Bruh, I just got my Wi-Fi yesterday, so I'm back on the game. Waiting on entry for sure, for sure. So this BISI, I like how price stayed in that upper quadrant. Ticked it right there and expanded higher. As we grow in trading, we'll be able to take that entry. But right now, I'm gonna just let the market do what it do. Looking at I'm looking at that buy side as a draw too. MU and SNDK. Let's check it out real quick. I forgot how that shit worked. Mm-hmm. Yeah. With MU, there's also this where we open at? Open here. With MU, it looks like it's about to trade back up into this opening range gap from Friday, January 30th. Could potentially. SNDK. Oh, it's memory stock. Let me see. SNDK going to the moon, brother. Hey, what the fuck? I'm looking how he used that first fair value got to go higher. Let me see. Or that's not the first. This one would be considered first fair value gap here. So the willingness to keep that open, that's very bullish right now. Just waiting right now on the NASDAQ. He says up 10%, 10K%. What you talking about? SNDK is up 10K%? That was going to the moon. Hey, bro. Right now in NASDAQ, I'm just see the old me would have took an entrance out of this fair value gap, even though that we're already trading higher. But I want to see us take that buy side and possibly have a 2022 model to go lower. It's gonna be 700 this week. Facts, Dave. Hey, we grew a lot. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm watching this fair value gap. I want to see if that can potentially turn into a inverse level later. So I'm looking at this as a busy right now. Looks like prices accumulating inside of that BISI. Hopefully, we can take a stab up to that buy side liquidity. Some more buy side up here too. These two relatively equal highs. This candle will be our first fair value gap. Yeah, I'm waiting to. I gotta figure out this streaming stuff because like when I switch I gotta switch back and forth to see your chat every time. I might gotta buy me like some other shit. This tab, high memory usage. Damn, so if I stream, is using memory too. Dev, I got to play, bro. We gonna get the Dodge Durango, put that whole on Turo for like 10 days, a month, so I don't use too much gas, and we set. Looking at prices, unwillingness to come down and touch that new week opening gap. So looking at this as bullish order flow right now. And I don't think this will necessarily be like a bad trade. Fuel. What's your answer? From here to here. Yeah, that would be a bad one. Enter what, 25, 689. Push your stop about just under the constant encroachment, and then take profit. Take a partial here and then hold to here. It wouldn't be a bad one. But we do have news at 10, so we gotta see what happens. Yeah, you gotta get different incomes, man. By the end of this year, you gotta have 2 more incomes, man. Yeah, bro. Now that the going short, that looks very enticing. I'm looking at these two relative equal lows here. Let me check out the same thing with ES. We have these relative equal lows here. But since it's Monday on a NFP week, it should be cleaner. It's just I don't see price like it's hard for me to see it come all the way back down. Right? But who am I? Just being patient, bro. I need the market to tip his hand to me first before I take anything. Not facts. Right now, we just wait and see. Looking at this buy side though, right here first. Also, when you trade Dev, like make sure you time how long the trade goes from entry to terminus. That's what 697.1. Are you talking about on ES or NAS? I think you're talking about ES. Let me check ES for you, bro. Oh, buy side SPX. So I don't really trade SPX, but let me see. I'll check it out. What number did you say? You said 6971. Are you talking about this right here? Yeah, that's a good buy side. Um, damn, SPX is so. But like right here, you could say like this is a buy side from Friday, right here. I don't think it'll let me. Yeah, I don't have. Oh shit, I did. Yeah, 6949 is the buy side from Friday. So we could see one more pump and then go lower here, or we can try to reach where you said. Yeah, that's also a good buy side as well. But I would say just gotta wait till the market kind of tips its hand to you, see what it does. Because SPX is gonna follow ES and NASDAQ anyway. They're like all in tandem with each other. Yeah, all of those markets are in tandem. It looks like we're just gonna continue higher though. Yeah. So this would have been a good entry inside of this fair value gap. Put your stop on like right below the midpoint of the first fair value gap. So what you take it would have been like a 40-point stop to make 50 points. Which if you train the mini, then that's $100. But if you train the if you train the micro, that's 100. If you train the mini, that's 1,000. So boom, that would have been you enter that 940, and then in about 10 minutes you would have made 1,000. Yeah, facts. I want to see how I use this first paragraph you got from January 26th. It looks like we just gonna go though. Like this sell side that I marked out earlier does not look very enticing. What it could do though is trade back into this first fair value up here. But I'm not looking to chase right now, it's way too high. If I gotta sit this one out, I'm gonna sit it out. It's all good. But we got news in 10 minutes. So we'll see. This buy side that I marked out is regular trading hours. So, but if you see, we use this BISI as that very first fair you got. ICT taught that last year. And we're only gonna use that if we like open below previous days liquidity, and we just go one way. And price will come back down, boom, tipped it in. So your entry could have been here, 25, 617. It's a long stop though. All right, went up almost 200 points. Bro, me too. We're gonna see what news do. But we already went so high, bro, and we took out this buy side. Could go higher, but I don't know. We'll see. Look at this clean chart quick. Or I'll just hide these just to see like what we're doing. Are you about to trade SPX this morning, Dad? My boy running them big pockets trading SPX. Let me get some bread, bro. Let me hold like 20. Hold like 20. Man, I can't wait till I get my own spot. I could be as loud as I want to, bro. I'm over here whispering. That's what I want to see. For real. Boom. Come out, take it. And drop lower. Straight back up. And drop lower. That was ugly. Let me see. We're going to use black. If it don't do that, though, we could use this as an inversion level. But we got to see what the news do. Dad, let me hold $1, bro. Come on, bro. I'm watching how price works this fair value gap here. Probably the same on SPX. Yeah. So on SPX, We could use this as an inversion level. All right, we took out this buy side, had this pump up. Change the market structure. Yeah. If it could trade back up in here and go lower, maybe this could be a good target. Yeah, so I like how I took this buy side, worked that first fair value up from January 2026. And then we could look to see if this will be used as an inversion. We trade back up here and then go lower. So if I take a trade here, I'll put my stop about here. Only thing that stopped me is this news, bro. Like, I don't know what we're gonna do. You gotta push for sure, for sure. I understand it. That wouldn't be a bad one, bro. It's just the news at 10. That's what's keeping me like, I'm gonna wait. But puts, that's not a bad, 5 minute for value up to. Only thing with this dev is we could still respect this 5 minute fair value gap. So the market has to like really tip his hand to you. Somebody calling my phone from Austin. Oh, I'm sorry, your number leaked, I think. No, it's not leaked. Bet. Yeah, they text me. You said the tariffs went live last night. What tariffs did they do? Dave, I look like Michael Jordan, don't I, bro? This is crazy. They made me just cut off the beard. Okay. He said low key. Hey, watch out, bro. See, I don't like that. If we're bearish, right, we shouldn't be respecting this 5 minute fair value gap. And fair value gap, you got to draw it from the volume imbalance. So this 5 minute busy, price is still respecting it. I'll only take a trade if I see this. Boom. Oops. Takes out this high, then drops lower, come back, and then boom. Boom, boom, boom. If Chris fair value up in here, and then goes lower into that area. If I don't see that, I ain't taking it. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shoot. My bad, my bad. Can you see it? Yeah, we back up. All right. All right, that's what I said. The only way I'll take one is if we do this. If we go this low, we take out this buy side again, trade lower, because it's a market structure shift, trade back inside of here, and then go lower. Or it could just keep going high. And if it just keeps going higher, then I'm probably not going to take the trade today. Because we could still take out these buy side liquidity, which it looks like it's about to. See what ES doing. The ES has the S&T divergence. So this on NASDAQ, it failed to go lower. ES went lower. So I don't know. I ain't taking that, you know. But do you see how, like, on the 5 minute, price respected that busy? That's what makes me like not trade certain stuff. I look at that 5 minute, I'm like, damn, okay. Man, what? It's been moving crazy. On the 4 hour. Like in regular terms, I would have looked at this as bearish order flow. Like took out this buy side. Fair value got traded back up into it and traded lower. And then look where market turned this first fair value got. of 2021 ticked it in right here and just started turning. So, but this is the range though too. Might just be balancing out this range, and it could come back down here and just consolidate too. Balancing out this range right here. 69.70 is about to be in. Yeah, it's going. It's going higher right now. For sure about to be in the money. Let me see what the daily chart looking at. So on the daily, so we already trading above the constant encroachment of yesterday's range. And also, if we look at this week, trading above the constant encroachment of Thursday's week. So yeah, if anybody was long here, it's up 200 points in an hour and 30 minutes. Nah, facts there. You done for today? You done trading, baby? My boy said he made his money in. Got up out of there. Oh, never mind, never mind. Damn, I'm finna get a neck tat right here, bro. Yeah, usually Mondays, bro, are on an NFP week are like cleaner. Well, this is pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. AMD for earnings. AMD used to go crazy whenever I was trading stocks. I made a lot of money with AMD. I lost a lot of money with AMD too, though, just because I didn't know how to trade. I'm gonna give the market about another 20, 30 minutes. If I don't see anything, I'm gonna just hop off. Yeah, like I was trading whenever I was fooling with like Pharaoh and them, bro. I was trading SPX, AMD, and Tesla the most. Yeah, like I wouldn't be able to get in short unless we take out this low here. But we're expecting that 5-minute busy. And then this is a bullish order block now. Like we just gonna keep going higher, bro. That's what it looks like at least. So I'm not willing to take anything higher though. I respected this fair value cut. Yeah, I'm not willing. I am not willing to do it. Last year I would have entered and maybe I would have made money, but it's that mental capital, bro. Yeah, on SPS is on. Let me see SPS real quick. Yeah, so you called out that perfect liquidity, bro. We for sure finna hit that. It's just like, let's say, where would your entry have been? Oh, you know what I'm saying? Like if you enter here, you would have to endure this drawdown to go up here. Or you could enter on this fair rate gap, then just roll it up there. You went 60% on the drop. That would have been a quick scalp right there. Yo, it hit that 697.1. Yeah, I'm gonna just watch though, cause it looks like it's just about to keep going higher. Looks like it wants to fill the rest of this old opening range gap. So close. So it looks like price wants to come back and fill that. The rule of thumb though, when it's let me say something. I didn't sell up and down there. Nah, for sure, because sometimes at open you don't know what the market gonna do. It gotta be like perfect conditions. Yeah, but we are very bullish. We just went up from open. We went up 400 points. Nah, 300. My fault. That's why I dropped out. We went up 300 points, bro, from open. I'm not willing to take anything up there at all. Looks like what we're gonna do is just fill in the rest of that. And that could be like the move for this morning for real. But it's too high for me to chase or anything. Almost 2% since last night. Yeah, from last night it moved up way more than that. I think today might be good. Um, yeah, like evening session or afternoon, the lunch macro. For me, I would wait until like the 10:50 to 11:10 macro to trade it. What is it, 516? Yeah, I'm just chilling too, Dev. You gonna see though. It's at 7,000. Hey, you know the market makers. It was like, hey, Bitcoin getting a little bit too low. Let me see. So they made all the markets go up. They said Bitcoin getting a little bit too low, baby. Let's let's pump it. Nah, Bitcoin still look trash though. Damn, they really dropped that, huh? Like you said, it started October. Boom, boom. I ain't gonna, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Bitcoin is not looking too shabby right now, bro. Took out this buy side here. Boom. Traded back over to this civvy. This will be TP1, TP2. Could trade up here. Hey, Bitcoin is not looking too good right now. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, facts. I don't know. What year do you think they would make it everyday use? Cause I thought they was gonna do that by now. Bro, I thought they was already gonna do it. I remember going to Austin, bro, and I saw this Bitcoin machine where it changes like your Bitcoin to money. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, Bitcoin money. Yeah. If we had Bitcoin in the third grade, let's say we had 5 Bitcoin in the third grade, I would have sold at 10K, not knowing it's gonna go to 100. But shit, we would have had 50K in high school. I know you would have been on IG. I already know you would have been flexing on niggas. Yeah. Don't let somebody make me mad too. Hey, bro. this thing is chicken nuggets, bro. Yeah, this thing is chicken nuggets, brother. Nah, but yeah, I'm finna end the stream, bro. Good first stream. We didn't take a trade, but I don't know. Who knows? I might come back with a nah facts. NBA players, bro. All right, yeah. I'll probably be back tomorrow, man. I appreciate you tuning in, brother.